Hey guys, it's Cubby W Slimes, and this is making slime with vo5 slime part 2. I know what you're thinking. You did part 2? Well, you're doing a part 2, but no, it's technically it's, it's technically not a part 2. It's technically not it's technically not a part 2. If you hear any noise in the background, it's just my sister. She's on the phone with her friend. My sister's name is Shayla, and she's on her phone with her friend. So, like I was saying, it's not a part 2. It's just like, it's technically not part 2. The video had cut in the last one, and I'm so sorry for that one. And instead of deleting the video and recording all over again, I just decided to make another video and post as you know, and I'm just gonna call it part 2 because it's basically the finishing part to the last one. So this is the next one. This is the one we had added salt in, and let's take the spoon out.
And buy the tulips. And buy the soda salt.
So this is how it is. I don't like any of these recipes. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, cause like I try to pick it up and it's not like a pick up. It's just like a slime before I'll be like, oh, I need something to do. That's basically what this slime is for, and it's trash. So I don't like these recipes, but if you like it, I would say try it out if you're like that type of person. Cause for me, this is not how I want it. So, it's not even close to how I would want any of my slime.
Where is it?
So, that was just the recurring part to my making slime with vo5 slime. So watch that video before you watch this one. Peace.
That's you, Tatiana.